Hello, today I'm going to show you another construction. We'll do the altitude of a triangle, also known as a perpendicular through a point off the line. The altitude of a triangle is just a fancy word for height. All right, and we know that we measure height at 90 degrees straight down. So if I'm going to do the height of this triangle from this point, all right, I'm going to want a 90-degree line straight down, which means we're going to be constructing a perpendicular line through that point. So our biggest construction we know of is the perpendicular bisector, which creates a 90-degree angle and splits a line in half. In this case, this point here is not in the middle, so a bisector wouldn't work. So what we will do is, if we're going from this point, we're going to create 2 points that this point will be in the middle of. So I can just open it really to any distance and make a mark here and make a mark here. That'll create 2 points that are equal distance from that point. So this guy is officially in the middle of those 2 points. It's an equal distance from both. And from here, you can really just keep the distance the same because it's going to be right here from that point to there. And if we go the same distance down here, all right, it's the same distance top and bottom. We go to the other point we created. Again, and at this point, you really just need to have this open more than halfway, but this works out nicely. Goes right through that point. All right, get that point down there. And if we connect the points, again, if I want the height of the triangle, I really just need to go from here to here. That creates a 90-degree line, which is the height of the triangle. But I will point out that this perpendicular, if we wanted to, could go all the way through. So the height of the triangle is the same as the perpendicular through a point off the line.